Good morning to all of you. Today we solve some problems. First, now solve it. First question: 3x minus y equal to 5 and 6x minus 2y equal to 10. Second question: 2x plus 3y equal to 4 and 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Third question: 7y plus 3 minus 2 bracket x plus 2 equal to 14. 4y minus 2 plus 3x minus 3 equal to 2. Solution. First of all, we solve the first question. 3x minus y equal to 5 and 6x minus 2y equal to 10. Now, if we solve it in general methods, first of all we multiply in equation 1, this is 1 and this is 2. If we multiply 1 by 2, 6x minus 2y equal to 10. If we multiply to equation 1, then we will get this 6x minus 2y equal to 10. This is also 6x minus 2y equal to 10. If this is 10, then we solve it, but here we solve it. First of all, we check these equations have unique solution or infinite solution or no solution. First of all, we check it. Here, comparing it a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to a1x plus b1y minus 1, c1 equal to, change the side, minus 5, a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 10. Now a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 2, minus 1 by minus 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 5 by 10 minus 5 by minus 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. It is also equal to 1 by 2. In this case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This condition for the infinite solution. As you know that if a1 but a2 does not equal to b1 but b2, it has unique solution. a1 but a2 equal to b1 but b2 does not equal to c1 but c2, it has no solution. If a1 but a2 equal to b1 but b2 equal to c1 but c2, it has infinite solution. It has infinite solution. Now, for the infinite solutions, we take 3x minus y equal to 5 and then if now 3x minus y equal to 5, let x is equal to k, putting this in this equation, 3k minus y equal to 5, that y equal to this, change the side, 3k minus 5, xy k, 3k minus 5 is the solution of this equation for all value of k, for all real value of k. For all real value of k. Now, this question also solve. This represent the line. The lines are parallel to each other. Now, you see the graph of these questions. Now, with the help of, we draw the graph of these questions. 3x minus y equal to 5. First obtain two value of x corresponding to y, that is the coordinate of point, and draw a line to the both point. If x is equal to 0, if x equal to 0, it means that is equal to 0, y equal to minus 5. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 5. If x is equal to 1, we take x is equal to 1, this is 3, x is equal to 1, this is 3, after change minus 3, 3x minus y equal to 5, x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus y equal to 5, minus y equal to 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2, and this minus 2. Now, we take another equation 6, x minus 2y, this coordinate xy equal to 0, 5, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, 1 minus 2. Now, we take the second equation, 6x minus 2y equal to 10, x, y, we we take 2 di value of x. If x is equal to 1, putting x is equal to 1, if putting x is equal to 1, this is 6, 10 minus 6, 4, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 2 minus 2. If x is equal to 1, putting in these equations, we get y is equal to minus 2. Next, if x putting x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, 6 to the 12, minus 12, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Now, x, y coordinate 1, minus 2, 2, 1. Now we draw the graph with the help of this. This is x-axis, x dash. This is y-axis, y and y dash. Now we plot this graph. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we put the point this 0, 5. 0 x का coordinate 0 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. This point. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. This point. 1 minus 2. Another 1 minus 2. This is also this point. 1 minus 2. 0 minus 5. Now again. Now we plot this point on this on the x-axis. Here positive and here negative. Upward direction that is positive and downward direction that is negative. First of all, x was 0 and 5. 0 का 0 and 5 downward direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point 0 minus 5 and 1 minus 2. Here positive 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Now we draw the line. And also 1 minus 2 this point and the other point 2, 1, 1, 2 or 1. Now also we draw a line 2 and 1. Both lines represent the same line. That lines are coincide. This shows that the equation has infinite solutions and that solutions we take such type. Now second questions. Now second question, 2x plus 3y equal to 4 and 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Here a1 equal to 2, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y and plus c2 equal to 0. Comparing this, here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to this side change -4, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to -12. Now we get the value of a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. This and this 2 by 4. b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that is equal to minus 4 by minus 12, 4 3 is 12, 1 by 3. Now these conditions show that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2, does not equal to c1 by c2. This condition has so that there is no solutions and lines are parallel. This condition show that this condition show that it has no solution. It has no solution and its lines are parallel and its lines are parallel to each other. Now we draw the graph of this. Now this is first equation and this is second equation. We take two value of x or y x and y. If we put y equal to 0, if you put y equal to 0, this quantity becomes 0 and this x equal to 4 by 2. We put the value of x according to us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Next, x equal to, if you put x equal to minus 1, this become minus 2 plus 2, 4 to 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Here xy equal to 2, 0, and minus 1, 2. Second equation, 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Now, in this case, s y पर डेल्टा x होता है, x y put, if you put x is equal to 0, y equal to what? X is equal to put 0, this become 0, y is equal to 12 by 6, 2, and if you put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, this quantity equal to 0, and 4, x equal to 12, and x is equal to 12 by 4, 3. x, y 0 to 3, x, y 3, 0. Now, we plot this on the graph paper. On the graph paper, we get one, two, three, x dash, y dash. This is origin, and we take the point at equal distance. Now we plot this point x, y 2, 0, x 1, 2, and 0, 2, 0. This minus 1, x equal to 1, minus 1, and 2, 1, 2. Two zero का 0, and minus 1 and 2. Second point, 0 and 2, x का 0 and 2, 1, 2, and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0 का 0. We draw a line from here to this point, and this point, both lines are parallel to each other. Both lines are parallel to each other. This is 2x plus 3y equal to 4, and this line 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Both lines are parallel to each other, so that we can say that no, both lines cut at any points, so that it has no solutions. We cannot solve it. Now the third question, 7 y plus 3 minus 2 x plus 2 equal to 14. First of all, it simplify, again solve. Now 7y, 7 3 is 21, minus 2x, 2 2 is 4, equal to 14, minus 2x plus 7y equal to 14 plus 4 minus 21. That is also equal to minus 2x plus 7y equal to 18 equal to 3. Equal to 3. It means that minus 2x plus 7y equal to minus 3. Minus 3. 18 or 21. Equation 1. Now second equation 4 y minus 2 plus 3 x minus 3 equal to 2. 4y 4 2 is 8, 3x 3 3 is 9 equal to 2. Now 3x plus 4y equal to 2 plus 8 plus 9. Now it become 3x plus 4y and equal to 3x plus 4y 19. 2 8 10 and 9 19. This is equal to equation 2. We solve it 1 and 2 with the help general method. Here if we multiply equation 1 multiply by 3 and equation 2 multiply by 2. If both are added, then one term is cancelled. Here multiply by 3 minus 3 2 is 6x plus 3 7 is 21. Y equal to 3 3 is 9 minus 9. In this equation, we multiply by the 2. 2 3 is 6x. 2 4 is 8. Y equal to 38. Adding in this case, no change the sign. Now this cancels and this is equal to 29y and this is plus 38 minus 9. This is equal to 29. Imply that y is equal to 1. Putting the value of y in equation 1 minus 2x plus 7y equal to 3, y equal to 1 minus 2x plus 7 into 1 equal to 3 minus 2x equal to 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Now here 2x plus 7y equal to 2x plus 7y equal to minus 3 2x y equal to 1 minus 3 that is this is minus 3 minus 7 x equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2 equal to 5 x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 this is our answer. It can also solve with the help of graph paper equation 1 and equation 2. Now like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.